Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mathways All Time Maths. Today we will learn how to solve the linear equations in one variable. For example, x plus 3 is equals to minus 5, x minus 8 is equals to minus 10, 2x is equals to 6, x over 3 is equals to minus 5. In these equations, whatever the alphabets you can see, they are called as variables. In all the equations with one variable, we need only variable on one side, other numbers on the other side. So here in equation x plus 3 is equals to 5, we want to get rid of plus 3. So for that, we will subtract 3 to both sides. Once we will subtract 3 to both sides, plus 3 and minus 3 will cancel and we'll get x is equals to 2. Similarly, in equation x minus 8 is equals to minus 10. We want to get rid of minus 8 and for that we will add 8 to both sides. Once we will add 8 to both sides, negative 8 plus 8 will cancel and we'll get x is equals to minus 2. Similarly, if we write the other equation, 2x is equals to 6. It means 2 into x is equals to 6. Now we want the variable on one side, so we have to get rid of this 2. And to get rid of this 2, what we need to do? We need to divide the equation with 2. Once we will divide the equation with 2, we'll get x is equals to 3. Similarly, if the equation is x over 3 is equals to minus 5. Now, we have to get rid of this 3 and to do so, we will multiply both sides with 3. Once I'll multiply the sides with 3, this 3 and 3 will cancel and we'll get x is equals to negative 15. This is how the balancing method works to solve the linear equations in one variable. We have another method which is called as transposition method to solve the equations in one variable, but for that we have to follow the rules. And what are the rules? If we move any number which is positive to the other side, then it will become negative. For example, x plus 3 is equals to 5. 3 is a positive number. If I'll move this 3 to the other side, it will become a negative number. So I'll get 5 minus 3, which is equals to 2. Similarly, if any number is a negative number and I'm moving that number to the other side, this negative number will become positive. So now I'll write it as plus 8. The value of x would be negative 2. Then, if any number is in multiplication and we want to move that number to the other side, multiplication will change to divided by. We'll get x is equals to 6 by 2, which is equals to 3. If a number is in divided by and we want to move that number to the other side, so that number will change into multiplication and we'll get x is equals to negative 15. So you have to remember these rules. Positive will change to negative, negative will change to positive, multiplication will change to divided by will change to multiply. So this way we can solve the linear equations in one variable using balancing method or transposition method. Make sure while you are working with the equations where you are adding or subtracting the number, you have to know the rules of the integers. I have already shared the link to understand how to solve the questions which include your positive and negative integers in the description box. I will also share a video how to solve the multi-step linear equation in couple of days. So stay tuned. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. And also like and share the videos so that I can reach to the wider audience. Thanks for watching.